Oganiru, Yakanacha, each and every day when I pray. Oganiru, Yakanacha, each and every day when I pray.
Chief Stephen Osita Osadebe, Dr. Sir Warrior and the Oriental Brothers, Sir Oliver de Coke. These are all household names in any Igbo household you go to. Why? Because these amazing musicians pioneered Igbo high life and they brought Igbo language out to the world. Today we have musicians like Zorro, Flavor, Fino, who make it a mission to spread Igbo language through music. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to see the new age musicians who spread forth Igbo language and allow our language to live and not die. Oyoruba!
Whether money don't come again, bracket today, so.
Oganiru, Yakanacha, each and every day